Welcome back. Well, it looks to be a little busy on the radar through the evening hours. Thereafter, things will be quieting down more than likely by midnight for most spots, a little bit earlier to the west and a little bit later off to the east. So let's get into it and talk about it. We have an area of low pressure that is in western Louisiana and moving east-northeastward, trailing frontal boundary, and that's translating to widespread showers and thunderstorms and severe weather threat and severe storms ongoing at this hour, especially across central Louisiana, where we have anything from flood warnings to severe thunderstorm warnings. This one in effect for Rapides Parish and into portions of, we'll say, of Voiles Parish through 645. And then you see more warnings and tornado warnings off to the north and west. For most of Acadiana, we are in a tornado watch that goes till 7 o'clock tonight, but it does not include Lafayette, Upper St. Martin, and southward. And it looks like this watch is going to be dropped and not reissued or move farther to the south. The way things are going, it looks like the main impetus is going to be into Mississippi as we head over the next few hours. But we're going to have showers and storms rolling in. You can see them already kind of queuing up across Cameron, Calcasieu Parish, mainly on a scattered basis. And that's why I'm expecting across Acadiana scattered activity. Farther to the north, it becomes broken, and then a solid line of nasty storms ongoing across central Louisiana, eastern Louisiana by Natchez, and then into Mississippi as well. And some of these storms are really showing some hail. We saw some rotation with this cell that's up in Rapides Parish at this hour. And let's go ahead and do some storm tracking right now. We'll take a look at what we have. And there you have it right here by the LeCounte area, just to the southwest of LeCounte, a rotating cell. This is what we have a severe thunderstorm warning for. Possible mesocyclone, maybe some small hail. But there's rotation with that cell ongoing at this hour. And you see other rotations as you go farther to the east. And we'll just not interrogate what we're looking at, but again, you can see a fair bit of action going on to the north. Meanwhile, in Acadiana, not a whole lot going on at this hour. You can see the tornado watch, St. Landry, Acadia, Jeff Davis Parish on northward till 7 o'clock tonight, and then I don't think it's going to be renewed, but we'll still have to keep an eye on storms. Just because you may not have a watch in the area doesn't mean you're not going to have severe weather, but it's going to be isolated, maybe an isolated severe storm or two, not more widespread as we're seeing up towards central Louisiana at this hour. Scattered showers across the area, a few rumbles of thunder across Calcasieu Parish, and again, most of the activity in Lafayette Parish, a moderate shower activity, a few quick downpours, but things are moving along. So here we go with the predictive radar showing the worst storms, central Louisiana, and you can see how worse it gets into Mississippi. And then scattered activity developing right around 7, 8 o'clock tonight through 9 to 10 o'clock. That's when we'll see our highest rain chances. Notice temperatures still in the 70s, and then the cool front will be passing on through as we get around midnight tonight. So the storms clear just about the easternmost portions of Acadiana by midnight. Temperatures drop into the lower 60s and eventually head for the upper 50s as we get into the day tomorrow. As for the severe weather threat, the main tornado threat looks to be manifesting in Mississippi, not so much so here in Acadiana, but there's a few shots of purple here and there, so we'll just keep an eye on the radar, especially between 7 and 11 tonight. As for rainfall, don't expect much. Most of us get 1/10 of an inch, maybe 1/3 of an inch. Some folks may get 3/4 of an inch of rain, but these storms are moving along, so not a whole lot of rain, but we'll take whatever we can get. Temperature-wise, lower 60s for the morning, but notice during the day flirting with mostly mid to upper 50s, so it's going to be a breezy and cool day, gusty north to northwest winds, 40s for tomorrow night, and we stay mostly in the 50s again on Wednesday with clouds eventually clearing out. It stays cloudy through tomorrow though. So a 90% chance of rain and storms, a low-end severe weather threat during the early evening hours. Most activity ends by midnight tonight. Then for tomorrow, lingering cloud cover stays in the 50s most of the day. We'll say our high about 63, and that's probably going to be at about 7 a.m. tomorrow or whatever the temperature is after midnight tonight. And then as we move forward, it's a cool forecast. Another weather system in the Gulf may just clip us just to the south, giving us some rain chances late Thanksgiving afternoon and evening. Overall, Thanksgiving looks cool. Friday looks okay. Saturday looks best. And then another weather system comes in late Sunday into Monday of next week. And look at the temperatures, cooler than normal over the next 10 days. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.